అక్కడ ఒక్క
Yes. Today we'll go to that. Okay. This one JSON types with the types. Okay. Yes. This is the idea ending. First, we'll take that example, different example. Okay. This is a JSON object. Okay. Different types of example, right? This is one of the example. Go to another example of array of objects. Okay. First, we will write that first one after then this one, second one with the data type. Already we have completed 1 second. Okay, there is only have doubt is type data type only, right? We'll write this one. We'll take this one.
Yeah, how we'll do the data
Yeah,
types?
better we'll create separate one. Data center. Remove data type. Actually, small letters. This is when I starts with the API name without caps like D is a small. Okay. No issue. Now first is the resource name, right? Correct. Then
Yeah, resource name.
resource name.
Mhm.
Create same student example will take. Create student. Okay. What is the next step? Method
Post
post. Next, what is that? Next step,
body.
body, right?
Mm-hmm.
After then, application.
Example.
Okay.
Yeah, application.
Then example,
Example.
we'll write first example. Okay. Copy this. I will copy this example value.
And I wanna ask, is it case sensitive? Like,
Which one? Yeah, key and values, right? Yes, case next to. If you give
they're
that
case
steps,
sensitive. Mm-hmm.
okay. Then request is completed. Now is a next step is response, right?
Mm-hmm. Output.
Output. Exactly right. Response. That is the response. This is the responses. One, right?
Sponsor 200.
Body.
201, right? We are creating. When we are creating a
Yeah,
query,
201. Correct.
yeah.
That's it. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
Up to your here,
Yeah,
this
after
is
here
clear.
I'm yeah.
Only is a type. Okay.
Mm-hmm. Okay.
Type now we have to take like that. Which type we have to go to that. Here is a object type, right? Object.
We are considering the object.
Sorry,
Why we are considering the object?
why? I will tell you that.
Mm-hmm.
Already explained, right? Two types, right? JSON object. We are going to that this one here. Now this one is called as an object, right? Only one. Inside this different properties. This is called as an object, JSON object.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Now our example is like this structure, right? ID and name. That's what
Mm-hmm.
type is the object. Okay. Inside object, different properties.
Okay.
Okay.
Mm-hmm.
Now properties.
ID and name, right?
Yeah. ID will take that number. This is the example. Right.
Right.
When,
One string.
then example.
Name we should give a Raghav, right?
Yeah, anything. This is a value, right? Just value. Example.
Uh-huh.
That is Rago or some anything. Okay. Right. Okay, now is the success. Why we
Mm-hmm.
have to define that this one is type means,
Mm-hmm.
okay. Suppose here in our attribute, this one is there, right? Suppose in one student is a this one is ID, name, phone number, address, okay, different attributes, right? But ID only mandatory ID and name, remaining all are optional, right? That time, whenever using this one types, right, we have to put that required. Okay, if you pass that required is a true, that is a mandatory. Otherwise, it's a optional attributes. That's what we have defined in this one. Okay, data types. Mainly, this is the intention. If you in that you are designing that any student or employee object is a number of attributes. Okay, based on that one, which one is required, which one is optional. Okay, first we have to define that attribute, all our attributes. Okay, this is that data type intention. Okay, and another one is yeah. First we'll explain this one. Then after. Now, first one is true, second one is false, right? Now success, right? Why? Because this one is a required false. Then same way we'll delete and add. I will delete add. Now the bad request. Why? Because ID is a mandate.
If we give false, it will not be shown over there, right?
Yes, correct.
Mm-hmm.
We'll test like that. Okay, now it's a true number. Why? Because we have modified true to false required. Now both are optional. Clear?
No, if we give true for both of them, both will be represented or they will be not represented.
If you required if true means both are mandatory attributes.
Okay, now you gave false also and they are printing or they.
Yeah, this one is if you put that false means this meaning is may or may not be part the values, key and value. Suppose if you have that one is a different systems, right? Different objects, right? If you how to say take that GUI screen, okay, whenever go to that IRCT is related, right? Some star marks is there. If you star marks means you have to compulsory enter the value. Without star means may or may not be, right? Same way here also same thing. Okay, here if you required means if you pass ID, okay, may or may not be. If you're not passing also no issue.
Okay.
Okay.
Mm-hmm.
Why? Because this is our integration, right? Whenever GI related, actually, we are getting the input from source system. Okay, then we are actually define that based on the source requirement.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, just we have to define that object and the get passing the values pass through only bypass mute. Okay, suppose sometimes is whenever go to that names, right? Maximum, minimum length, maximum length also is there, right? Max length also you have to define. Max length if you suppose 10 means keyboard is issue. Okay. Now maximum length characters is 10. What is the 5 characters, right? 11 characters. Now bad character, bad request. I will delete that. Yeah, we know. Not accepting, right? Same thing, minimum length also. You have to define min length, then 4 characters. Less than 4 characters is not accepted. Bad request. Okay, this is the use of that type. Patterns also is there. I will explain one by one. Up to here, clear, right?
Yeah, up to here I'm good.